Okay, today I'm going to teach you to do what some people find to be one of the hardest things. Cleaning burnt food off of your enamel cast iron without chipping your enamel. First thing, couple squirts of dish soap. Make sure you get it good and worked in. Now, remember, we don't want a ton, just a little. Then, 4 to 6 ounces of water to make sure you don't burn the bottom. Even worse than it already is. Then you just turn it on, medium high, and let it heat up. We'll be back in a minute after this gets all nice and heated up so you can see how easy it is to come out. Okay, it came to a boil and was bubbling and boiling really well. And now you just scrub it with your scrubby. And as you can see, the black has already started to scrub off pretty easy. Now, as you can see, the back of the scrubby has a plastic scraper. It's really important that it's plastic because metal can chip your enamel. And once your enamel starts to chip, that can get in your body. And that's very unhealthy for your family. Just take the back side of the plastic and scrape and scrub. Now, take your Brillo pad and as you can see, it just Brillos right off. You've got to heat it up first or it won't work to peel off so well. See? Comes right off. Oh, so nicely. A heck of a lot less work. That's all there is to it. I'll be back when this is all done to show you what it looks like. We'll be back. There it is, all cleaned out. Now, I've had this for a while, and unfortunately, enamel does stain. That's why you initially don't want to try to burn food to the bottom of your pan. But sometimes it happens and you can't help it. Cast iron holds its heat and sometimes it leads to, particularly tomato products, burning itself to the bottom. But all of it's cleaned out, minus the stain. Don't know how to destain it. I'm sure there is something out there. If someone knows, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know how to possibly get rid of the staining out of your enamel. I know how to get the burnt out, just don't know about the staining. But there you go. All the burned food is off there. Couple of squirts of dish detergent, 4 to 6 ounces of water. Bring to a boil for less than a minute. Let cool. And then just a Brillo pad and it simply wipes out. Alright, remember, Stay positive. Bye.